ya bunge ambako Aden Duale ambaye ni mbunge wa Garissa mjini hivi sasa anahutubia wanahabari kuhusiana na hatua ya NASA ama wabunge wa NASA kutaka kukwepa sherehe ya uapisho wiki ijayo.
They further assert that the members of the NASA will stay away from the swearing in until matters surrounding the re-election of Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta are heard and credibly decided by the Supreme Court. And I must, from the onset, emphasize that the statement from ODM and the assertion thereof are dishonest, deceitful, insincere, and devoid of worth. The statement confirms many of our misgivings with NASA as a coalition that does not respect the rule of law is, most of our colleagues are coming, so. Disrespect of the rule of law, their assertion is unpatriotic, undemocratic, dictatorial, and heavy-handed. This is a coalition that does not respect our constitution, the democratic institution it creates, and I dare say it disparages the citizens of Kenya. In response, therefore, I wish to state as follows. Number one, and I hope Honorable Junet and his brigade are watching me. No vacuum exists in the office of the President. His Excellency Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta continues to hold office until the person next elected, President, is sworn in accordance with Article 142, subsection 1 of the Constitution of Kenya. So as we sit here, there is no vacuum. There is a president in place, and until another president is sworn in accordance with Article 142, subsection 1, there is a president. That I think the NASA guys are not aware. Number two, in issuing the notice of the first sitting of the 12th Parliament, His Excellency the President responsibly exercised his constitutional obligation conferred upon him through Article 126, subsection 2. Number three, the presidential petition in the Supreme Court has no association whatsoever with the operations and functions of Parliament. So Parliament is not in the Supreme Court.